Is it me you're looking for? She needs to shimmer at all times, okay? Yo! Hello, beautiful people. Hi, Onyeka here, and today is all about the Perception MakeupShayla ColourPop collaboration. I'm hyped. You know what it is? First of all, I'm always hype, but that's not even the point. The point is, I love that ColourPop collab with yet another woman of color, yet another black woman. So that's amazing. All my bun can't fit in this frame, by the way. The collection comes with an eyeshadow palette, 3 lipsticks. It also comes with 2 highlighters, which I'm very excited about because you know I love to glisten, shimmer, and shine and glow. So I'm excited about this as well. And a lip gloss. I'm not a gloss girl, but I'll show it to y'all or whatever, but I'm not a gloss girl. So I paid $59 for all of these goodies. You know, ColourPop knows how to help you save a coin. So that's the best part about ColourPop, honey, and they come with quality, okay? I've never tried the ColourPop concealer before, so I'm very excited to try this out today. Yes! And I picked up one of their lippies, Limbo, because it reminds me of K, which they no longer sell. So I'm guessing this is like a good dupe, I'm hoping. So we're gonna check that out. We're gonna see about this as well. We're just gonna check out all this ColourPop stuff, okay? First, make sure you subscribe and also turn on your notifications as well. Okay, let's get right into it. Packaging is so gorgeous. I love it. Ah! So pretty. My mirror came broken. Oh my gosh, my mirror came, oh my gosh, my mirror came broken. Gosh, see this? My mirror literally came broken. I'm so mad, no. No! Darn it. Darn. I'm gonna call ColourPop about this and hopefully they can just send me another one. But damn it, that sucks. I didn't expect this. Oh my gosh, that really sucks. Oh man. Let me grab my janky mirror. First, we're gonna prime. This is the second time that my makeup shows up a little disheveled. Remember the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics collection? Remember my the highlighter was like broken, son. Like the highlighter was broken in the pan. It came broken. And this is not to say anything is wrong with the creatives who worked with them. It's just to say, like, I don't know what happened during shipment, honey. I have no idea. The It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics collection, they sent me a new one and that came broken as well. So I just didn't bother talking about it. But during Fashion Week, I called and they sent me a new one, of course free of charge. And it came broken also, and I was just like, I'm not gonna call for another one. It's something with how they ship it or one thing or another. I don't know what it is. That was the Fenty Beauty primer, and now I'm putting the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion on my lids to make sure it is all secured, honey. Should I swatch the eyeshadows? I'm so sad about this. I really wish the mirror wasn't broken. It's like, the shadows are they're really pretty. Oh my god. Wow. I'm here for September, honey. This pink, okay? Is it a pink or a purple? It's a pinky purple. It's like, honey, this orange, thick. Thick. Yes, thick. This orange over here, this little thick situation. I love that she has the names right underneath the colors, and I know that's like her preference. So I'm with it. I'm here for you. Wow, it's a lot of colors in here. I don't even know what to do. It's like a great selection to choose from. So I'm gonna go into Revenge. Ooh, it's some Fallout. Reminds me of the color that I usually transition with from Urban Decay, from the Naked Heat palette. It's like that burnt orange, but not really, because you kind of really brown though, and you cute. So I'm gonna just put you on though. Yeah, it's like that. This mirror is so changed. I love this as a crease color. Yes to you putting a color that's good enough to be used as a crease color. That's important. A lot of palettes don't really, well, to my knowledge, from my little tiny 2 cents of experience, I don't always see a good enough crease color for my preference. So this is great that there's actually something that I like. Yes, you want to get a little closer? Let's get a little closer. I think I'm gonna go, which one is this played out? Ooh, shade. Yes. Okay, sorry. This palette is very distracting because it's so pretty that I just don't know what to do. But I'm gonna go for Played Out. Played Out is like this dark brown, honey. She's cute. She is gorgeous. Like, what is this part of your lid called? I always call it the corners, but you know, I make up names for stuff. I could be wrong. Oh wow, it's really dark. Yes, girl. Okay, so right off the bat, very pigmented. Very pigmented. Like, her stuff is pigmented. A little goes a long way. Like, I'm gonna have to adjust that because okay, Shayla, okay. Girl, I gotta blend like it's nobody's business. All right, Shayla, you are pigmented, okay? I don't know why I like to use my fingers with my lid, but that's what I do. And we're gonna go into, what is she called? September, because she is cute, honey. We're gonna go right into September. She's like a pinky, purpley, she's pink to me. We're gonna say she's pink because to me she's pink, okay? And I'm putting her right on my lid because she is pretty. Yes, she's pretty. Yes, she is her to the T, okay? 16 shades in this palette. I almost feel like you don't need any other palette, and I feel like it's perfect for spring. I'm a bright color all year round girl, but for those who feel like they want to limit their bright colors to spring and summer, this is perfect for spring and summer. Wow, wow. And then we're back to blending. Blend her out. Add a little more pink. Okay, we are pink. We are fabulous. I think she's blended. I think she's blended. I may go over it a little bit. I think she's blended. I'm allergic to not shimmering, so I'm going to put, I'm torn between Spill the Tea and Diva. No, Strut and, ooh, Strut and Slay. Strut and Slay might, okay, so this is Strut and Slay, and the one right above it is Spill the Tea. And I want to put it like right on top to make it like really like, you know, shimmering. I don't know. Might add some Pat McGrath because, you know, she always saves the day. That's what Pat McGrath does. Auntie Patty always saves the day. But I don't know. I don't know how to not shimmer. What's life without a shimmer? I don't even know. I'm scared, but I'm gonna put Strut and Slay. I don't know if this even looks right. I don't know. What do you think? Is it like, is she popping or is she whack? She's looking kind of whack to me. Like, I don't, like, she's shine. Like, don't get me wrong, she's not dull or anything. I just don't know if these two colors complement each other right on top of each other. You know what I might do? I'm gonna add September right back, the purple situation. That's super gorgeous. Auntie Patty has this gorgeous like iridescent shade that I can put right on top. So I'm gonna just use that. I needed a little more shimmer. I don't know, like, I'm a shimmer queen. I don't know how to not be a shimmer queen. You know, I usually go in with the Basquiat Urban Decay palette with that blue, honey. That blue probably gonna hit the pan soon, okay? That's usually my liner. I use Stallion right over here for my liner. Stallion is nice and dark, honey. Dark. Super dark, 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 dark blue. It's just like a slight shimmer. I'm here for the shimmer, honey. I'm here for it. I love it. I love how that glided right on, because sometimes I have trouble with putting on eyeliner. Like, it doesn't just glide right on for me, and that literally glided right on. I'm gonna put on foundation and be right back. Okay, the No Filter no, this is not even foundation. Yo, I think ColourPop is gonna come out with a foundation, and they need to do that soon because I'm gonna be super duper hype. But this is Dark 46. It was super duper duper hard for me to find my shade because I'm not a shade finding online girl. I'm more of I need to be in person. I need to test it out, see how it is. So choosing a concealer shade was super duper hard for me. But this is what I usually use, the NARS Radiant Concealer. I use this in Armand, and this is the ColourPop Concealer. As you can see, ColourPop is a tad bit lighter than the NARS, but I wanted this exact same color because this works for me, but it was hard, girl. It was hard. Only $6, girl. This concealer is $6. Yo, ColourPop always come through with the cheap, okay? I love the applicator. Ah! I love the... Oh, Jesus is real. Yo. Oh. I know I'm late to the party. I know everybody and their mama tried this concealer already, but it's my first. Yo. Wow. It's so soft. I love how it helps you. Ah, I'm in love. Going in with a clean, yes, I just cleaned this beauty blender. I'm gonna go in and I feel a little tingle in my skin, like a weird little bzz, where the concealer is. Like right here and right here, but not up here and down here, but right here and right here. I don't know why, but I'm going to, you know, blend her right out with the beauty blender, because nothing compares to the beauty blend of the day. Love this stuff. I love the beauty blender. Oh my gosh. So excited for this look because in my mind it's about to look OD popping. And then she messes up. Like it gets tacky really fast. Come on with the wonderfulness. Come on. OMG. This is great. Like, I have no beef. I have no problems. We good. We good, ColourPop. You always amaze me every time with your little $6 concealer that still somehow turned out wonderful, even though it's $6. I'm setting it with my usual Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay. Hungry. I'm hungry. Lashes are on, honey, and going back into the Perception palette and reaching for, let me think, this awesome blue shade right over here. She is called 14. I wonder the inspiration behind that name, but 14. Right into 14. And I'm putting her under my lid. No fallout with the 14. 14 gave me no fallout. That is perfection. Going in with the Smashbox Super Fan mascara. I'm so excited because now it's time for one of my favorite parts, highlighters. Dun, dun, dun. So there's Booming and there's Pose. Pose. So beautiful gold shade. I'm into it. I'm into it. Booming is a lighter because I'm gonna layer these on top. So Booming is a lighter gold and then Pose is a darker gold. Pose is more like a coppery gold. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Oh, wait, first. Oh my gosh. I can't find my bronzer, so I'm gonna go into Played Out and see if I can use that as a bronzer. You see how dark it is? Yeah. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Whatever. Like, but I'm gonna try. Okay, she's dark. A little goes a long way. If you're crazy like me. You ever wanted to try this because you can't, I literally don't know where my bronzer is. I used an Iman bronzer or whatever. I just gotta blend her out a lot. It looks like it worked out. So if you're ever stumped and you lose your bronzer like I did, just go right into Played Out, this little dark brown situation, and use it as a bronzer. It works. Of course, that's if you're dark like me. Don't use that if you're like super light. I don't think that would work out. So this is Pose. I think this is all a lot of product for how cheap it is, honestly. We gotta give it up to ColourPop for them always coming through with that. Oh, Pose is gorgeous. Ooh, let me swatch her. Let me swatch her real quick, honey. I think this is all a lot of product for how cheap it is, honestly. We gotta give it up to ColourPop for them always coming through with that. Oh, this is Pose. See that? She's pretty. This is pretty, Shayla. Oh, see that? So pretty. And it on my brow bone as well. Oh yeah. This is it. This is it. Then this is Booming. Booming is lighter. I'm going to layer. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna layer Booming right on top. She is cute. Booming is about that life, honey. Loose powders are always hard for me. Oh, let's watch Booming. One thing I can say about these highlighters is that they're very light. Like, they're not heavy. They're light. This is Booming. On top. Oh, this is pretty. Nah, son, this is pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my god, yeah, this is pretty. Yeah, little brow bone situation. Oh yeah. Hard to get it out the container because I'm not that good with loose whatever. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is a little nose situation. A little lip situation. Oh yeah. I'm putting Booming on the inner corners. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Yeah, this is pretty. Oh, I put too much. Oh wow, I got carried away. Trying to catch the light so I don't OD. Oh, pretty. I hope these lipsticks are matte, because God knows I'm not here for a non-matte lipstick. But we have Quickie. I love the packaging. Shayla, you did good with the packaging, girl. I love the gold situation. It makes me feel like it costs more than what it does cost. It's Quickie. Oh, it's very light. This is a very light shade. Super duper light shade. Doesn't mean I can't wear it. I just gotta, you know, put something around the lips. This is, ooh. Ooh, it's cute. I like, ooh. This is Come On Sis. I think I'm gonna do Come On Sis. Come On Sis goes perfectly with my look. Limbo is supposed to be my replacement for ColourPop K, which is what I usually use as my like around lip thing, because it's like my skin tone. And as you can see, they're like similar shades. So I want to see if Limbo does for me what K does for me. I'm gonna put Limbo around first. Then I'm going to put Come On Sis right on top. Feeling very well done, you know, very well done. I'm almost feeling rich. I'm not there. I'm almost feeling rich. I like it. Is this like a luster, or is it says Luxe lipstick? Okay, so luxurious, Luxe as in luxurious. Like, is this a matte or a luster? God knows, I'm a matte lipstick girl, honey. I don't know how I'm supposed to go through life with luster lipstick. Pretty, but it's a luster. I didn't know. I don't know, guys. Luster, and that's not saying that it's not good. I'm saying from my own personal preferences, because I'm a matte lipstick kind of girl. I'm not here for a luster lip, but it's very, very pretty. Clearly did not read the description when I bought it. I just was like, whole collection, buy, pay, done. I didn't read anything. I already made the decision that I was gonna buy it before anything, you know? So what do you think? What do you think? How did she turn out? I like it. I think her collection is wonderful. I love how everything blends seamlessly. I didn't really have a problem with anything. Let me think. Because you know I keep it real, okay? I wish the lippies were mattes instead of lusters, but that's probably her preference. It's her collection, so she's gonna create what she prefers. Okay, so this is how the lip gloss is. It's very shiny, very glossy, this is it. Like a great fun summer glow kind of lippy. I'm not putting this on. I'm already over the luster on my lips. I'm not like, if you're not new to my channel, you already know I don't like non-matte lipsticks. So I'm not gonna increase the luster of my lips. I'm not doing that. So happy for you, Shayla. I'm so glad that you have this amazing collection. I think it's phenomenal. I love it. I love it. You got me glowing out here, honey. And I love that you incorporated some brights in your shadows. That's so important to me. I hate when people just have all golds. I don't hate it, but prefer golds, silvers, and brights, you know. So you came through with the glowy and the brights, and I love that. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I love you. God love you. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and also check out my other videos right over here. Thank you so very much. Bye.